Yeah, we do. So we sold out the ones we have here. I got 2 more coming on order.
Nate, I need you, when Marcus goes over to grab that one, pull these 2 out, put them back where they go.
Where do they go?
You were the one that pulled them up.
How many seconds was I?
10.6.
Who's ahead of me?
Everybody. Literally everyone.
No.
Go, get the next person.
No.
What are you doing?
Putting grease.
You ready? Ready. Andrew coming. Yeah, that sounded dumb. Hey, it's Andrew here. We're at the I39 bargain bin. The next new addition to the I39 Supply bargain bin is this Easy Hauler all aluminum enclosed. It's a 7x14, 85-inch interior height, and a ramp door as well. This one's listed at $8,990.
You want me to touch that damn screen right now?
You better not touch that thing, dude. You better
Dude,
stop
watch
touching
your
my
feet.
Dude, you better stop doing that.
We could take one off one of them accesses that just came in.
Actually, those 20-footers we could put one on.
Go.
Those 8.5, 20 Easy Haulers.
Take a foot plate with you and switch it out.
Problem solving. 10 feet.
Whoa.
Oh!
What'd you get?
10'8". Get your hand out there, get your hand out there.
Oh, 10.9 and a half.
Didn't have the hole. Wasn't supposed to.
Slow down in post.
Slow it down in post. What you doing with that big old bundle of shirts, dude?
Well, when you buy a trailer at I39 Supply, we try to give you an option of a hat or a t-shirt. We're doing a reorder of hats. People love them so much. So we're just folding some t-shirts, get them over there in the corner. And the next customers come in.
Don't let our wives know we know how to do this.
100%. Well, it's snowing out today, so maybe the phones will ring for some snowmobile trailers. We're doing $200 off on our single axle 101 by 12 enclosed, 2-place trailers, and anything over the 2-place into the 3-place inlines, we are doing $500 off. Old Trapper, way better than Jack Links. Get yourself some of that.
Getting a estimate made up for a customer.
What are they doing?
They're 10-pin hog or whatever trailer. They want a couple parts from Exus and Sooner to replace some other ones, and the other is complete inspection.
What'd you get into today? Give me the
Got
synopsis.
into a lot of quotes, a lot of customers looking to upgrade their trailers for heavier equipment they're buying. I got a customer, Mr. Zach Thomas, who I sold a Diamond C equipment trailer to last year. Loves it, but he's buying a Bobcat and a bigger skid steer, so he needs a deck over trailer. It's gonna be a little bit wider. So we're looking at getting him either a gooseneck or like a bumper pole. So he's gonna get all the weights on his equipment and get back to me, and we're gonna get that sucker on order so we can have it here in the springtime. Yes, sir. Word of the day is it's Thursday.
You need me to read that for you?
Yeah. camera.
Making you nervous too?
Get up there.
Alright, so I have these at 15. Did you want them shipped over to you?
Well, we got big trailers
Yeah, we got
here,
big
man. We
trailers.
gotta measure all of them.
That doesn't work well for us, Dad.
Flat aluminum stock. You better go catch Joe before he takes off to SI metals. There he is there. I don't think we're gonna be able to use that plate that they sent. Put here and here. Drill your hole for that, and then when you want to slide this out, it'll be tight, but it'll slide right in and out of these two. So this will be nothing, and this will be a plate to plate. So it'll like slide right in there, and then pop it in.
Have fun with it, Alex.
See your quick draw on the phone.
That was pretty slow.
You didn't
Usually I
swipe.
swipe
You didn't
first.
swipe. You didn't swipe.
Yeah, you gotta swipe and swipe return. Swipe! Pretty quick. Time it.
Andrew transferring over Bill.
You want to start the bill?
Yes, sir.
Just can't get enough.
There you go, buddy. Can't get enough.
I39 Supply Sales, this is Andrew. Hello? Didn't transfer.
Really?
Let's go. Are you kidding me?
Let's call. It did transfer.
Oh, it didn't. I went right to a missed call.
I39 Supply. Oh, tricked you.
Call failed. Good. My phone won't call failed. Technical difficulties. Technical difficulties.
Johnny, say something cool.
Something cool. So the images start, whatever, they're there. It'll still
Now
take
it
them.
just comes.
Yeah,
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
See? He takes care of shit.
No, it's exactly what I was looking for. Red, black, white, like